Hi everyone, Maria Laws here for Better Lessons Master Teacher Project in Biology, and I was thinking about some tips and tricks that might help you navigate some pretty common student errors throughout this project, and there were two big ones that I encountered throughout my experience with the kids. The first one is that they really don't have any clue what a compound is. I know they've been through junior high school science, but it really didn't stick in a meaningful way for most students, and so providing some examples is really going to be necessary for them to really start to investigate what compounds might be happening with their specific, unique organism. The second thing seems to be picking an organism and rooting it in a place. What I realize is that students don't really get the difference between a species and a population. The idea that a population has to be members within the same geographical space so that they can reproduce together. And once students have their organism rooted in a place, that means that they can then start to look at the higher levels of organization, like looking at the community, what other things live around their organism, and looking at the ecosystem, what are some of the factors about the landscape where they live. And for that reason, I would not recommend having students pick a human being as their organism. That's too broad. They really have a challenging time with that. I just think those would be the two things I would talk about most with students, either individually support them or just be prepared to address it as a class, and that is something that I did both for. All right, have a great time with the project.